All right, and we're back with week 6 of solo mining in GoMining, the cloud mining website. So now we are out of GMT. So for all of our rewards, we are no longer paying with GMT. We are paying with our pool reward. So we're getting at least half. If I did the math correctly, I think it's about 43% now I'm getting out of the full 100%, which is 50% would be better, but you get what you get, you know? So we have a total rewards of 0.024999618 Bitcoin. It says it is worth $2,540.91. At current rates, with the 3.5% drop down we had today, we are currently sitting at $2,528.46. Just a little bit less than what it says here, but that's okay. Still got our 2 whole miners, our 100 terahash and our 115 terahash for a total of 215 terahash at 20 watt a terahash. It's a lot of hashing. Our total rewards over the past 7 days is only 0.00046297 Bitcoin. That is a total of $46.83. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. The 27th and the 28th was our last day with our GMT, so we did get full rewards on that. We did get full rewards on those 2 days, but for the past 5 days, it was taking that rate out of our pool reward. So in the dollar amount, you can see that's about $11.77, but our reward is only $5.11 because, you know, $4.85 go to electricity and $1.80 go to the services because you have to pay for the service. Obviously, they're not just going to be letting us use their Bitcoin miners for free. They are not going to be doing that. They're not that stupid, so they got to get their money out of it, and boy do they get their money out of it. They're probably even upcharging on electricity just to get a little bit more, but I mean, fuck it, they're providing a service to us and we are getting Bitcoin out of it. If you also want to start mining some Bitcoin, you can start today. My referral link will be in the description down below. You get an extra 5% terahash bonus on your first purchase. So if you buy 100 terahash, you get an extra 5 terahash for free. It's pretty damn good. Take advantage of that now before they change it, because before it was only a 5% cash back you get. Now it's a 5% bonus in terahash. They could change that at any moment. You never know. Take advantage of the 5% while you can. I'm also very curious, did anyone end up getting one of these ducks? Because I saw these a while ago and they were reserved, but it wasn't reserved for me. So I'm curious who, yeah, look, reserved. Not too bad. 97,000 for a 20 watt terahash, 5,000 terahash miner in the shape of a little ducky. That's pretty dang good. This is their most recent collection that they released, so whoever got their hands on it, god damn. I like this one. I like the construction one. It's a working duck. That's a working duck. But alrighty, until then, we will see you on week 7 update, and have a good one, everyone. Mine that Bitcoin.
Carefully, fine to my strategy, technical analysis, my way of crew some savages, hardly check my balances. They keep